Annyeonghaseyo, we're here at Jeongbang Waterfall in Seowipo, Jeju Island. And right behind me here, it's the only waterfall that falls directly into the ocean in Asia. Pretty cool.
That's awesome. We were just watching the women divers. I can't remember the name in Korean right now, but there's women divers who dive to look for shellfish, and they don't use any equipment. They just hold their breath and dive right in and look for it, and it's actually only women who do it. It's traditional on Jeju Island. And we just saw, oh, there's one diver right there. You can see her, she's popped up. So they bring in the shellfish, and then a person comes over from this little tent over here, and she comes over and weighs it, and then they buy it from these women divers, and then they serve it fresh just under this tent, just on the rocks on the beach. It's something really unique to Jeju Island.
Very cool stuff.
Mm-hmm.